It was all about the defense making its case in the federal trial of Isaac Culver. He's the man accused of wire fraud, mail fraud, and money laundering. 41 NBC's Joy Dukes was in court earlier today, and she joins us now in studio with more on today's testimonies.
In day 5 of the criminal trial against Progressive Consulting CEO Isaac Culver, jurors got to hear from a surprise witness, Culver himself. He was last to testify today, taking the stand after several associates and friends of his spoke to his character and reputation in the community, including a former Macon mayor. In a courtroom full of his supporters, colleagues and associates of Isaac Culver testified as character witnesses. People who saw all he did in and around the community, like Justine Denard, founder of Adopt a Role Model. She and other witnesses, including former Macon Mayor Jim Marshall, described his character as very good and said yes when asked if they believed he was a law-abiding individual. The defense called witnesses to speak to the reputation of Progressive Consulting as a company and previous jobs they've done with Bibb County schools. Another witness recalled just how much the upgrades were needed. They showed examples of several safety hazards within the district's network infrastructure, including a photo of a janitorial closet with equipment and wiring in close proximity to chemical cleaning products. Proceedings on Friday ultimately ended with testimony from the man on trial himself. Culver detailed his experience working with Dollamond and his demanding nature in rushing the in-computing deal. He said in his testimony that Dollamond was fully aware that the in-computing devices would not come with what they needed to operate as computers: servers, mice, monitors, or keyboards. His attorney, John Garland, then asked him why the school district's bill was $3.7 million when the devices only costed $1.7 million. He says that $2 million wasn't a markup. The money went toward services and support, what needed to happen after they were delivered. He closed by saying he just wanted to make a difference. His biggest regrets were not taking more time to do the job right, and that he never tried to deceive Alan Stephen in any way. But he's remorseful about what this situation did to their relationship. The trial ended today with Culver's testimony and will continue Monday morning with him also on the stand. This gives the defense a little time to prepare for the prosecution's cross-examination. Shelby?
All righty, thank you, Joy. Well, Judge Treadwell told attorneys to be prepared to close this out on Monday, and there's still a chance, though, that it may go even longer.